Hello and welcome to the channel. Join me as I dive into the question of whether the first computer was really built by hand, and I'll try to recreate it using only the original tools and techniques. The question of whether the first computer was truly built by hand is a fascinating topic that takes us back to the very roots of our technological evolution. I mean, can you imagine a world without computers, smartphones, and the internet? It's hard to fathom, but it's only by understanding where we came from that we can appreciate how far we've come. Defining what constitutes a computer can be tricky, as it's a term that's evolved over time. Some argue that the first computer was the abacus, while others claim it was the mechanical calculators of the 17th century. But when we think of computers today, we tend to think of electronic devices that can perform calculations and process information. So, who do we give credit to for the invention of the first computer? The debate surrounding the contributions of various inventors is a contentious one. Take, for example, Charles Babbage, the English mathematician who designed the Analytical Engine in the early 19th century. While it was never built during his lifetime, his design laid the foundation for modern computers. Or what about Ada Lovelace, the world's first computer programmer, who wrote the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine? These pioneers, along with others, played significant roles in shaping the course of computing history. However, the line between innovation and incremental improvement can be blurry. Where do we draw the line between inspiration and invention? And how do we quantify the contributions of those who came before us? Exploring the history of early computing devices is a journey that takes us to the dawn of the Industrial Revolution. Charles Babbage's Analytical Engine, Alan Turing's bomb machine, and Conrad Zeuss's Z3 computer are just a few examples of the groundbreaking machines that paved the way for modern computing. These innovators didn't just build devices. They also developed new languages, algorithms, and programming techniques that enabled machines to perform tasks previously thought impossible. What's striking about these early computing devices is the blend of manual craftsmanship and innovative thinking. Charles Babbage's designs, for instance, were often hand-drawn and featured intricate mechanical components. Alan Turing, on the other hand, developed the theoretical foundations of modern computer science, laying the groundwork for the development of the first electronic computers. In the 1940s, a team of researchers at the University of Pennsylvania built the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, or ENIAC. This behemoth of a machine, comprising over 17,000 vacuum tubes, was the first general-purpose electronic computer. It was a marvel of engineering, but it was also a testament to the ingenuity of human problem-solving. The development of ENIAC marked a pivotal moment in the history of computing. It was the first computer that could be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, and its creation was a collaborative effort that involved mathematicians, engineers, and technicians working together. This blend of manual craftsmanship and innovative thinking was the key to its success. So, what can we conclude about the question of whether the first computer was really built by hand? The answer is yes and no. While early computers were indeed built using manual craftsmanship, they were also the result of innovative thinking, mathematical genius, and technological breakthroughs. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the history of computing. If you're curious about the first computer, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on technology history. There's plenty more to explore.